Let us solve one problem from the gate physics. So the problem states that what is the energy difference between the ground and first excited state of a particle in one dimensional infinite potential well of width a. So we can draw the infinite potential well. So we know one dimensional infinite potential well, so of with a. So let's say this is the potential well. So this width is given as a, and here the potential is infinity, and we need to find the energy difference between the ground and the first excited state of particle, right? So we have the energy expression given by one dimensional infinite potential well as n square pi square h bar square by 2m a square. So energy difference means we know delta E. So delta E can be written as E2 minus E1, right? So if we put when n for E1, this expression stands as pi square h dot h bar whole square into 2m a square, and for E2 it is, we can write 4 pi square h square by 2m a square. Now delta E can be written as E2 minus E1. So subtracting it, so we can write 4 pi h cap square into 2m a square minus pi square h cap square by 2m a square. So the finally we reach that it will be 3 pi h dot square by 2m a square. So the energy difference expression is given by 3 pi h dot square by 2m a square. So our required expression is given. Hope you have understood the solution. So thanks a lot.